If y'all remember the little video update from last week and me trying to grow a sweet pea in a water bottle, I had to cut the water bottle open because boom, she's growing. Where's the size of this thing? This is from last week. That's a week. Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is just a little grow update for February 3rd, Wednesday. As you see, we're about to have a salad. Stove's kind of taken off. Romaine's doing really well. Crisp head here is just blowing me away. Look at that. Huge. Tomatoes are doing really good. So, let me do a little side-by-side comparison from when we first started these. Here's the romaine. I might have to start backing up so I can get them all in there. Here's the pumpkin jalapeno. I moved him up tall to get him closer to the light. Looking pretty good. Crisp head lettuce. I'm about to have to move these to the next row down. They're starting to crowd each other out. Spinach from last week where we transported it in. Mustard greens are doing good. This is our Tom Thumb lettuce. New addition from last week is our broccoli. Doing really well. Micro tomatoes. Really impressed with those. And our golden acre cabbage. Get in there. Parts per million on nutrients are sitting at about 900. And we're maintaining our pH at right around 5.8, 5.9. Over here in the seed starting, this is our broccoli. These are started the same size as the other ones. I moved this one out, get him up next to the light. Sets our another one of the jalapenos. See what he can do. Working on growing some lemon balm. Really small seeds there. Got a little activity going on in our cells. That's a lemon jalapeno. Way back here in the back is a pumpkin jalapeno. So yeah, everything's coming along. But we're not too far away from starting to harvest some of this. Fresh salad grown indoors in January. Salad by February. Nice. So if you want to keep updated, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and we'll have another update for you next week. Until then, stay safe, be blessed, and we'll see you soon.